This video demonstrates how to create a collection of cabinets using the SketchList Cabinet Wizard, clone function, and SketchList resizing tools. With SketchList, you only need to make one cabinet as a base unit. Then save and copy that cabinet from your library and resize it as needed for other applications. First, we will open a new project in SketchList 3D. Then select the Add Object icon at the top left and select the option Cabinet Wizard. In the Cabinet Wizard, you select the object you want to create, in this case, a cabinet box. Then enter the sizes of the first cabinet. Enter the height, width, and depth values, hitting the Enter key after each entry. Here, enter 9, and 24. We then set the plywood size used for the backboard thickness to 1/2 inch. Then add the cabinet to the project. When the cabinet is inserted into the project, make a clone or copy of it. To do this, select the original cabinet and it will turn green. Then click the Clone and Space button at the lower right of the screen. Click left for the direction to which to clone. Set 0 for the space between the original and the clone. Of course, you can change the size in any direction. Then click the Clone button. After cloning, you have 2 cabinets. You can resize this new cabinet's height, width, and depth to become any cabinet size needed. Right-click the red dot on the right surface and enter 24 as the new width. Here is the 24-inch wide cabinet. Thank you for reviewing this information. Please visit our site at sketchlist.com to learn more.